Hey everyone, this is DT here with yet another one for you. Now, when I say the word shabu shabu, what comes to mind? A lot of people don't know what it is or even know how to do it. I myself haven't been to one in about wakuchin shimashita yo, in the clear, a decade. But the wife wanted me to go so bad, so here we are, a great video opportunity. What the? I was set up. Okay, thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. I successfully survived another revolution around the sun. Leo's rock, am I right? Thank you, babe, you're the best. And what the heck is that? Oh man, it's a robot. This is where we are in life right now. That is so cool. Kind of reminds me of that robot off of Rocky 4. Happy birthday, DT. So we're going to go to Yuzu-an, a nice shabu shabu establishment with over 80 locations nationwide. So this particular restaurant is located in Yokosuka City, Kanagawa-ken, at the address below. So a friend of mine went to a shabu shabu place a couple weeks before. He was kind of confused about some things. Also, someone was giving him false information about how to cook this stuff, so I would just iron all that out and chow down in the process. I mean, it's my birthday after all. Tanjoubi dakara sa. Here you have an IH burner. Now the staff will turn it on for you, but I'll show you how to turn it off when we're done. Keep the kids away. So today I have to record, keep my son from burning himself, and enjoy my birthday all at the same time. This should be fun. This is shoyu or soy sauce. Nice. Now these are dipping sauces. So at a shabu shabu you can choose 2 out of say 4 or sometimes even 5 bases for your soup. It comes in a pot that is split down the middle. After you pull the meat or noodles out of the pot, you can then place them in one of these dipping sauces for added flavor. Depending on your soup base, you might not even have to do that, to be honest. So the one on the left is ponzu sauce. It's a mixture of citrus and soy sauce. The one on the right is called gomadare in Japanese. Basically means sesame sauce. I'm putting you on. Hit that subscribe button, boy. Go on, do that. I get deep into it. Ryu, chili oil. Look at her looking out for that robot. So this Ryu says to put it in a sesame sauce I just told you about. So I chose the spicy base, or marahinabe dashi, and my wife chose sukiyaki dashi. Dashi basically means soup base. And there we go, time to eat up. Now it ain't all meats, you can get your sushi here too. And my good buddy, Home One, brings it out to us. He's so cool until Skynet is activated. Also, this place serves Wagyu, so that's a plus. I haven't been to one that does, but again, it's been a while. Okay, so you put the meat in here, mix it up a little bit, then whisk it through the boiling water, making the sound shabu shabu. Now, shabu shabu is just a word that imitates a sound and has no real meaning in Japan, other than the restaurant shabu shabu. You can't just talk to somebody and go, yeah, I shabu'd over there and I shabu'd over there. No, shabu shabu is just, what do they call it in the States? Onomatopoeia. Yeah, it's just a word that imitates a sound. So for the chicken and pork, you'll want to leave it in there for a few minutes to cook all the way. This will make sure you don't get an upset stomach. Sure looks good. I can't wait till I can eat shabu shabu. I need some more teeth, kid. Uh-oh, here he comes again. Not for us. Time to get after it. Ginger ale, the best drink on the planet. So you see, it's kind of smoky in here, but it's not like yakiniku smoky. Boy, give me that. Okay, this one is for us, right? Come on, home one, come on. Big money, big money. All right. What we got here? Some finger food, some more stuff. I didn't even order any of that. That was all the wife, eating for two. I'm just recording and keeping chopsticks out of Raiden's mouth. So, you got fried boiled eggs and a creamy croquette ball. This is all Wagyu, cooked. Don't be shy, throw them veggies in there. How do you guys feel about tofu, by the way? Great? Good, good. I hate it. Don't much care for the texture, but if it's spicy enough, I can eat it. Just not plain. These are actually shrimp balls. Oishii desu ne. Let's open up one of these croquette thingies. Dip it first. Tastes pretty good too. Now these tablets have English support, but yeah, it could use some improvement, but better than nothing. The biggest picture says Wagyu, by the way, so get you some of that. I don't know how many plates of Wagyu we are going to order, but I'm down. Hit this button at the top right corner to convert to English. Also, touching the items on the tablet starts the ordering process for that item. So if you can't read it and it looks good to you, just touch it. If the tablet is already in English, a translated English title should appear on the next screen. This kid funny. Just ate a whole meal at home, but I'm gonna show you how to appease the little ones' appetite at a place like this. Sausages. This is chicken, ramen, udon. See the difference in the noodles? Right. Garlic, okay, won't turn that away. So for the babies like my boy's age, you can order green peas and squash them so that they won't choke on it, and it's a little cool to the touch. Good for those teething cutie pies. Now I did a sushi video. Check out my page. Lots of videos on there and more to come. But ooh wee! I love this seared shrimp with melted like mayo cheese on top. You try doing this through a camera lens. in goes the chicken. So guys, use the long hashi or chopsticks to pick food out of the pot, especially when you're with other people, friends, etc., that you don't want to be sharing spit with. People you don't know. So not only did I get shabu shabu, but ramen in the process. 今日は勝ちまくってる. I just keep winning today. 誕生日だからな. Now, which one should I put it in? Dochi kana? Migi no? Okay, right one. Shabu, 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 shabu. You gotta make the noise, man. You just gotta make the noise. Chicken. Uh-oh, my pocket's taking a beating. That eating for two thing wasn't a joke. The ladies need those nutrients, guys, but Daddy T loves the kids, so eat on up. That'll be all, my good man. There are 2 ladles in there, one straining ladle and one regular one. You can use the strainer to skim bits and pieces off the surface of your soups to keep it clean if you want. And this is how you turn the burner off. Oh, you love me. You really love me. All those late nights making videos. Thanks for watching, y'all. Happy birthday, DT. Happy birthday, DT. And now you know everything you need to know about Shabu Shabu. A great place to eat at. And you met a cool robot too. Home 1. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, like, both are totally free. And I'll see you on the next one. DT out. Happy birthday, DT.